Okay, we're going to try to drill out that stud right there. We sawed it off with a hacksaw. It turned backwards a little bit, but brand new drill. That sure didn't take long. Okie dokie. Pull out my Jonathan Swifty here. Says use 3/16 drill. Brand new 3/16 drill right there. Okay, now this, you hammer it in there. Now because it's rusted on the back side, we're going to turn it inwards, and then it will turn clockwise and come out the back. Okie dokie. We're in there. Old vice grips from PTI. Work it back and forth. I don't want to pull it out from the back side because then I have to get the easy out of there. So I'll pull it out the front side here. Plus that'll be better for the film, for the sake of the film. I let it soak with penetrating fluid overnight. It's coming out there. One 3/16 inch stud from 1949. Pretty as a picture. The Buzz is out of here.